Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Go programming language on your Ubuntu 24.4 server. By the end of this video you'll be ready to start using it.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating your packages, install Docker using the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Now pull the Go image with this command. Check the Go version via Docker using this command. Next, prepare your working directory and switch into it with this command. Now let's create a code file named main and pass the following code into it. To test the code inside the container, use the following command. The output should be hello world. If you see that, everything is working properly.